Right boys, I'm going to show you diffusion and a convection current all in one go. Now to do that I'm using this beaker of water and I'm going to use one of these crystals, and these crystals are tiny. I don't know if you can see it. It's absolutely tiny little crystal and it's called potassium permanganate. Now when I drop it in there, I'm using a straw, just drop it down there, and I'm just going to push it in. And it's down there at the bottom. Now if we just leave that to spread out, we'll see which way it goes. Now being as it is cold, there's not much movement in there. You've got a little tiny bit of motion of diffusion, and you'll see it slowly spreading out. But shortly what I'll do is I'm going to do the same again, but I'm going to heat it. I'm going to heat it up and we'll see that you'll see the process of convection. Right boys, we're going to look at a convection current today. A convection current is how heat travels through a liquid. Now, I showed you one of these pieces of potassium permanganate before. It's a tiny purple crystal. And if I drop it in, drops down to the bottom, the straw, take the straw away, and there's the potassium permanganate at the bottom. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat it up. I'm going to heat up this water, and we're going to see, as soon as it starts getting warm, which way is it going to go? Will it go sideways, left, right, forwards, backwards, or will it go up or down? Or it won't go down. Now, right at this point here, you should see it's just been pushed up. I'm heating directly underneath it. It's gone up and it's gone across. Now, when water particles get hot, they rise. And can you see it dropping on the other side? It's moving across and then it's dropping. Let's give it another blast on this side. And heat it up again. We should see it rising up. Blast it and up it goes. And then it goes down on the other side. All the time. Rising where it's hot, and on the other side it's falling because it's cold. Now that one will rise up. I'm not even heating it and it's still doing it. The current's got going. Now the current's moving, it can't be stopped.